Can't tell already, Reese behind me has cleaned my car. He just loved it. I'm going to Haynes Motor Museum tomorrow for that little breakfast meet, and I was like, you know, I need my car cleaned and that, and he was saying, oh, I'll come over and do it, so what a ledge.
That water's going to run.
That water's going to run?
Clean.
Yeah. Oh, you've sprayed your little strip as well, haven't you, or something? Yeah. Anyway. I've given myself the privilege of trying to clean these up. Oh, at least your your exhaust trims are on really well. Ledger. So we're try and clean them right up. While Reese is doing my whole car, I'm just going to try and do your exhaust tips. So I've got my metal polish, got my little bucket of water with my wire wool, some more wire wool if I need it. Yeah, I'm going to scrub like mad. While he cleans my car, I'll clean his exhaust. Oh! Oh! You can almost see a ring of chrome. Almost. You can see all the scratches and chips on my car. So we're all done cleaning. I'm setting up my little mount on the back of Reese's car so he can film his exhaust. So I think he just wants to go around the bypass just to see how it goes, but well, I'll let you go in front. You just got to go to the end and left. Yeah. Then you go down and then all the way round so you see the double lanes. All the way to the end.
Down and left.
Wow, there and left, yeah. He's got a Lockwood sticker on the back of that. Have to get him like a meal. Get him a meal sticker. He's gonna hate me saying this, but it's well cute, isn't it? A little 1.2. You can see what a little 1.2 with an exhaust on it sounds like. I think he's still got the cat on it. There's no D cat, but I'll ask him what exhaust it is a little bit later on. Good driving. Good driving. Mr. Galaxy chopping me up. Thanks. Tomorrow I want to go to Haynes Motor Museum for the meet tomorrow with all the boys, and Reese is coming as well.